Good morning, students. Today we are seeing the another problem in the dependent sources. So in this problem we have a three loops. Okay, so one voltage source and 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, 6 ohm are the resistances, and the dependent source is voltage dependent current source because the value of this Vs is depends upon the current flowing through 4 ohm resistor. Okay, because in the given problem itself they are showing that this is the ID is the dependent current, which is the two times of dependent current will gives the voltage source value. Okay, so in this problem our objective is to find out the value of Vs. Okay, so our objective is to find the value of Vs. Okay, so how we are going to solve? We can solve with respect to the KVL. Okay, so three loops, I1, I2, I3. Okay, so as you see, the value of ID is same as the loop current direction I2. So the ID value is equals to the I2. Okay, so I am writing the first loop equation in the loop 1. Okay, how we are going to write? Positive to negative, negative to I1. Next, positive to negative, minus 3I1. This is positive, this is negative. So negative to positive plus 3I2. Next, negative to positive plus 10 is equals to 0. So I am simplifying. Minus 5I1 plus 3I2 plus 0. Why? Because there is no value of third loop current is equals to minus 10. This is our first loop equation. Okay. Loop 2. I am writing the loop equation for loop 2. Okay. So first one, positive to negative. Negative 4I2. Next, so in the 5 ohm there are two currents. One is positive to negative is I2. Negative to positive is 5 ohm. So positive to negative means negative 5I2 positive. Okay, why? Because it is positive, this is negative. So for a loop 2, negative to positive. So that positive 5I3. In the third ohm, I mean in the 3 ohm resistors, we have a plus minus, so that for a loop 2, positive to negative, negative 3I2, negative to positive plus 3I1 is equals to 0. Okay, I am writing the rearranging the equation, that is 3I1. I2 terms are 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So minus 12 I2 plus 5 I3 is equals to 0. This is my second loop equation. Okay. When it comes to loop 3, okay. So when it comes to loop 3, we have a positive to negative minus 6 I3. Next, this is a voltage source, so positive to negative, negative Vs. Next, positive to, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Positive to negative, negative 5I3, negative to positive plus 5I2 is equals to 0. Okay, I am rearranging. Okay, so plus 5I2 minus 11I3 is equals to, or else minus Vs is equals to 0. Okay, this is the third loop equation. Okay, but the thing is the value of Vs. Okay, I am writing the, what is the value of Vs here? 2 times of ID. So what is the value of ID? The current flowing through 4 ohm resistor is ID. So that the ID is equals to I2. ID is equals to I2. Why? Because both are following the same direction. Okay. So ID equals to I2. And substituting, how we will get the Vs value is Vs equals to 2 times of I2. Okay. So this is our dependent source. Okay. If I substitute Vs value as 2 times of I2 in this equation, that is the third equation, 5I2 minus 11I3, I am writing 5I2 minus 11I3 minus Vs is equals to 0. This is our third equation. As we got it, Vs as 5I2 minus 11I3, Vs value as 2I2. So minus 2I2 is equals to 0. So we will get 3I2 minus 11I3 is equals to 0. Okay, there is no I1 value, I am placing 0. So finally, this is our final third equation. Okay, by solving 1 and 2 and 3, Okay, we will get I1 value as, I2 value as, I3 value as. What is the value of I1? What is the value of I1?
2.40 amps.
So 2.40 amperes. What is the value of I2?
0.67.
0.67 amperes. What is the value of I3?
0.18.
0.18 amperes. Okay, so these are the loop currents of I1 and I2 and I3. Our objective is to find out the value of dependent source. So Vs equals to 2 times of I2. Okay, because as we know that 2 times of I2, so 2 into 0.67 we will get the value of Vs. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Thank you.